After you're logged into your Adobe Creative Cloud Express account, you're going to hit the plus sign and hit Create Video. Make sure you have your script in front of you for the story that we've been writing, because this is where you want to enter the title of your story. And we're going to start from scratch, that way you can add the details you want. And then we're going to start breaking apart our story into those sections that we have already created. So if you had 5 sections, you're going to want to make sure that you come down here to the bottom of your screen and you add as many sections as you determined you needed. And starting at the first section, you can go ahead and search for the photos that you decided you wanted. You can add the photos in a different picture on each screen. So I might have my characters. I might decide to have a picture here of the pond where they live, just depending on the sections of our stories. You can click the music tab up at the top and select the music that you would like to be playing in the background of your video. Once you have that all set up, you're ready to begin recording each section of your story. So go back to the first section and you're going to hold down this blue microphone. You have to click it and then hold it down, and you will have time to record that section of your story. When you're done with that section, you can either redo the recording or move on to the next section to complete your recording for the second part. Once you have all your sections recorded, you'll want to hit this play button and listen back to it to make sure it sounds exactly how you want it to.